Hi everyone, welcome. So today we are going to take a look at an EnerTwist is a cordless power driver. It is 20 volt lithium ion batteries and it comes with 2 batteries, and I bought this from Amazon for around $69. It's got 2 battery packs, a fast charger, a carrying case, which is awesome. It is a 1/2 inch compact brushless drill driver. So brushless drill driver means you get a longer lasting, and then they also claim that the battery is twice more than the regular one. Plus it is a lithium ion. And the reason why I chose EnerTwist is because I have cordless power drill, which is a cadmium battery, and it is a Black & Decker. It's 18 volt. Been using this for the past 5 years maybe, and now I noticed that the batteries go out fast, so I decided to get a power drill, but I wanted to make sure I get 2 batteries, and I wanted to make sure it's lithium ion. One of the cool things about this particular brand is that it is very competitive. It is only $69 as compared to the other lithium ions out there. It is compact, lightweight design. It's got a comfort grip handle. There is a bright LED light at the base, so when you start for 15 seconds, it will light up and then shuts down automatically. And then all metal gear construction, high performance brushless motor, 2-speed transmission, and 1/2 inch single leaf ratchet chuck. EnerTwist is comparing itself to other brands, but I don't think this comparison is fair because different brands are different. One of the things that I would highlight, it is lightweight. It is 3.2 pounds, and most of them are over 3.5 pounds, so that I admit. They claim that their motor life is 50% longer. They have higher power, 20% more runtime, 50%. They do say it is a brushless motor. So what brushless motor allows you is less friction, less heat, more life of the equipment, and long-lasting battery. So that's it, guys. Let's get to the unboxing without any further ado. So let's get to the unboxing of EnerTwist brushless driver. It has got a 2-year warranty. This is the box it came in from Amazon. So this is the case that cordless power drill driver comes in. It is a nice sturdy case that you can carry around when you have many projects at home. So here they have put a guide. It gives you the specification, safety warnings, and knowing a cordless drill. So some information. So here's the battery charger, and the 2 included lithium ion battery, 20 volt, 2 ampere. I really wanted 2 of them because with the cadmium, the one that I had, I was running out of charge. So here's the cordless power driver. Looks very comfortable in the hands. Here, if you put this button in the middle, it's locked. And here's the belt clip. There's 2 screws that it comes with. The belt clip would go in here, and we would need to attach the screws. I'll be doing that later. But without even charging, let's give it a shot. Oh, that's really powerful. It's at speed number 2. Switching to speed number 1. And this should switch off in 15 seconds. There we go. It stays on for 15 seconds, which is good, ample time. And it feels lightweight. And it has 16 speeds here. So a couple of cons that I would say is that, one, the battery charger, it doesn't come with a dock. So you would have to plug this in and then the charging port would go on top. And it would plug in. So to check for how much power you have in your battery, just press this and that'll tell you. So right now it's fully powered. I have the 3 green lights. This is a great feature to have to it. To release the battery, just press down and pull it out. Let's go ahead, put this and compare the new drill driver with my old one. So this is the Black & Decker that I had, and look at the difference between the battery. So this is much smaller. It's the Black & Decker is an 18 volt. This is a 20 volt, and it's brushless. This is brushed. Now, going to operate both. I definitely feel power on this one. So this one doesn't have any lights or anything like that. Battery, you simply take it out and it's almost dying. It's cadmium, the older style, and it worked well for me. I was looking to replace it. The keyless chuck, what they're saying is that it's just same as my old one. Key chuck is for older models. Keyless chuck, you would turn the side here to loosen and take it out, and to tighten you can put it in and tighten this, and there we go. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and
please subscribe and share.